I'm Christina Danielle if you guys are new here, and if you're already a supporter, welcome back. So I have been off YouTube at least like 2 to 3 months, and because of Influenster, I am back. So Influencer sent me some complimentary free 16-hour Camo e.l.f. concealer, their new concealer that e.l.f. has come out with, to try, and I'm going to try it on this video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my full opinion. This video is going to be really short and cute. I use this concealer in this makeup look, so that's what I'll be showing you guys. More in depth per se of the concealer, not the other makeups, but I wanted to be short and simple and straight to the point. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I promise I'm going to try to be more consistent with my videos since I'm back with this one. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you guys have tried it. Okay, so as I told you in the intro, you guys, Influencer sent me e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. So I'm really excited because I had run out of my Fenty Trio sticks. That's what I've been using as my concealer. So this is the package, and I like that it's camo, like it's the camo concealer, and then the box come in camo. So if you guys aren't on Influencer, you definitely need to sign up. You can get free products all the time to try out different things, okay? So this is the little stuffer that come inside, and this is the card, and it has the little shades of the different colors that it comes in. Not a huge variety if this is not it. I mean, if this is all that they have, but still it's workable. It's workable. The card says a 16-hour camo concealer is our most full coverage long wear formula. I will not be wearing it for 16 hours. It also says that the wand allows you to sculpt, contour, and highlight. The intense pigmentation is full coverage but won't settle into your fine lines, and that's a big one with concealer. So if you have like dark circles like I do, you totally get what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. Right now I have done my eyebrows, and I use my foundation, which was the CoverGirl D50 in matte. For me, it's not super full coverage, but it gets the job done. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in closer to the face. Oh yeah, so they sent me 2 different colors. So they sent me deep cinnamon, and there's deep cinnamon, and then they sent me rich chocolate. They're just a smidget difference in between, but I definitely think my color is going to be rich chocolate, which is that one right there. I'll swatch them for you so you guys can see. Wait, this is rich chocolate. This is what I'm going to be using to conceal with. I think I could go actually maybe 2 hairs darker, but because they only sent me 2, that's what I'm working with. And this is cinnamon. So as you guys can see, cinnamon is way too light for me, so we know what we're going with, okay? So let me wipe this off. Alright, so rich chocolate it is. So I'm going to bring you guys closer, and we're going to see how good it works. So now that you guys are in closer, here is the one that I'm going to be using, I think. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the one I'm going to be using, which is rich chocolate. Alright, so now that you guys are closer, as you guys see, I kind of have a little bit of dark circles up under my eyes. So when I do apply makeup, concealer is really important, okay? So here is the wand. It's really, really thick, and you get like a nice glob up there. Okay, so I'm going to apply it under my eye. And I seen on Makeup Shayla's, I think it was Makeup Shayla, it was either her or Jackie Ina, and she was saying how sometimes, you know, you get that shadow up in here. It's because you don't bring your concealer down. So I'm gonna try bringing my concealer down a little bit and see how that helps with that shadow. Because as I look back on some of my makeup videos, I definitely have that shadow, and you don't want that in your makeup. So I'm just hitting all the spots that I normally would put my concealer, just going ahead and getting it. I'm going to contour with my Trio stick. Hopefully it's near somewhere. Okay, so I'm just going to take a sponge. Yes, it is a little dirty. Okay, so what? It's a little dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And let's see how it works. Ooh, looky, looky, y'all. You see that? Oh. It's doing its job. I like it so far. So I'm gonna blend it out some more. You guys see? So far, I honestly do like it. I'm gonna contour with my Fenty Match Stick. I'm not gonna do it on camera because this video is all about my concealing, so I'll be right back once I'm done with that. Okay, so now that I have contoured, like I told you, I use the Fenty Trio Stick. It's dirty, but honey, it comes in handy in the color Espresso. So that's what I do, and I'm just blending it out a little bit more with my beauty blender. Just a little bit more. And I did my nose, forehead, and my cheeks. So I was gonna bake. I was going back and forth like, should I bake, should I not, should I bake, should I not, should I bake, should I not? I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it because literally, you guys, I'm not going anywhere today, like whatsoever, not even a little bit. So but so far, honestly, I do like it. I've been looking at it in the mirror. It's not really creasing like some concealer does, you know, under the eye, which I really like. You don't want any, like, you know, you don't want it to settle in those lines under the eye. So I really like it. So far, so good. I won't be wearing it 16 hours, but at the end of this video, I will actually maybe insert a clip or something of what it looks like at the end of the day before I take my makeup off. Like, does it actually, you know, work out? So I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeshadow, my lips, and I am going to do mascara, and then I'll be back with my final opinion about the 16-hour e.l.f. concealer. Okay guys, so this is the final look I created. I basically used all of Makeup Shayla's Proceed with Caution palette. I used the, since it's right here, I used the Slow Down, the BFF4. I used Proceed with Caution palette. I used her blush. I contoured with Fenty. My mascara was It's Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then, of course, what this video is all about is the 16-hour camo concealer. So here's the final look that I came up with, and I used that pop of yellow that's in the Proceed with Caution palette. So that's the final look. I really do like the concealer. It's really matting my like intensifying matte my makeup look. So that's why I decided not to bake under my eye or whatever.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so it's about like maybe 2 hours later. I have not been outside, but I've just been, I've ate lunch, I have played with Hendrix a little bit, checked on emails, stuff like that. And it seems to be staying in place. If I were to go like outside, or if I knew I would be like on a date night or something with my fiance, or anything out and about, I would have definitely used setting powder just to ensure that it stays in place. But because I know I'm not really doing nothing today, it wasn't a big deal for me to bake under my eye or anything. Overall, I really do like this concealer. I definitely will start using it every day and add it into my routine. Who doesn't love free products? So definitely check out Influencer if you haven't. Here it is up close, but it's definitely matte, definitely matte. So if you like matte concealer, give it a try. As you know, e.l.f. is super affordable. This concealer can be found, you know, in Walmart, all your, you know, CVS, Walgreens, stuff like that, and it's super affordable. But thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you tried it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.